This is Brother Johnny Embry. I'm out here at my house. As you can see, folks, we are having a blizzard. See all my trees down? This is becoming the blizzard of 2000 and see all the snow. What is this? 2009 January. January 2009. I'll look at the date here in a minute. Let's see, 26, 27, 28, 29. So as you can see, I'm going to be with Michael Clancy over here at the radio station with Brother Ron. Michael Clancy with the picture of the hand of hope. But you can see, wanted to get this. See, check this out. Pretty awesome. See the blizzardy conditions. Get this so I could remember. Pretty neat. See, this is coming out to be the blizzard.